Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making mushroom soup. You're going to need 1 pound mushrooms, 2 cups chicken broth, half a cup dry white wine, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1 cup milk, 2 teaspoons paprika and 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons dill and 2 teaspoons thyme, 3 tablespoons flour, 4 tablespoons salted butter, 1 large onion, tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 4 cloves of garlic, and 2 tablespoons fresh parsley. We're going to start by cutting up mushrooms. I like to cut the ends of stems. And then slice them thin. After you're done with mushrooms, dice the onion in small pieces. Now take the large cooking pot and add butter and let it melt. After it's almost completely melted, add the chopped onions and cook it until it's softened and translucent, about 5 minutes. Add sliced mushrooms and cook it until mushrooms are browned and release their moisture for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then occasionally stir it. Now we're going to start with the ingredients. Add paprika and salt. Add dill and thyme. Now we're going to add minced garlic. Add Worcestershire sauce. Half a cup dry white wine. Now we're going to add chicken broth. In a separate dish, whisk together the flour and milk until smooth. Gradually stir this mixture into the soup, ensuring that there is no lumps. And now just add the mixture. Continue to simmer the soup for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's boiling and thickened slightly. Stir in the sour cream until fully incorporated. If desired, add the lemon juice for a bit of brightness. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if necessary. And this is it. Take it off the stove and you're ready to serve. Ladle the soup into bowls. And garnish with chopped fresh Italian parsley. It came out so beautiful. I can't explain to you the smell of it. The taste, it's incredible. You have to try it yourself. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.